Number 1. This white 1967 Chevrolet C10 stepside is located in Ashland, Kentucky, and is being offered for $12,500. Under the hood is a 350 engine that runs well. The mileage on this pickup is currently 300 miles, and it was driven daily until last year. Over $6,000 has been invested in the truck in new parts. These include four-wheel disc brakes, new tires, a fuel tank, along with new fuel and brake lines. Additionally, the shocks, springs, rear seals, rear axle bearings, drive shaft U-joints, and even the tailgate have been replaced. The transmission is an automatic. Important to note, the seller clearly states no trades will be considered, and the $12,500 price is firm.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. Here's a classic, a 1963 Chevrolet SS rolling out of Logan, Ohio. This Nova is a 1963 chop-top project with an orange body and a black interior. The car's odometer reads 47,228 miles. Under the hood is a small block Chevrolet engine, which the seller describes as healthy, paired with a new Jegs Turbo 350 automatic transmission. The car also features a narrowed 12-bolt rear end with a locker and puts power to the pavement through new Mickey Thompson tires. All major functions, including the headlights and horn, are working properly, making it a fully roadworthy project. This custom ride is ready for its next chapter and is being offered for $12,500. The seller is open to offers, but is currently not considering trades. Number 3. Powered by its 383 Mopar big block engine and featuring rear-wheel drive, this 1942 Plymouth Coupe D22 makes quite a statement on the road. Located in Weir, New Hampshire, it's available for $10,000, and trades are welcome. The car is registered and on the road, with previous registrations accompanying it, and the odometer shows 25,000 miles. Under the hood, the 383 Mopar Big Block is paired with a Sniper volleyball fuel injection system, headers, an aluminum intake, and an aluminum radiator for cooling. Power is delivered through a 727 automatic transmission to an 8 3/4 positive rear end. The exterior boasts a brand new yellow paint job, complemented by a dual exhaust system that gives it a great sound. The tan interior offers a good foundation for the next owner. While there are chances to personalize the interior and add some finishing touches, this Plymouth runs and drives well. It's ready for local cruise nights or could be a rewarding project for a father and son to complete together. Number 4. Whether you're a collector or a restoration enthusiast, check out this 1970 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2-door, available in Columbus, Ohio. This GTO is going for $15,000. Underneath its black exterior, you'll find a numbers-matching car with an automatic transmission and 131,000 miles on the odometer. The interior is said to be in nice shape, and the current owner has already dropped over $40,000 into this ride. It fires right up and comes with brand new original rally tires, plus an extra set of Traeger wheels. The car needs some engine work. This specific GTO is a real find, given the serious cash already put in and its numbers-matching status. Getting the engine squared away would be the next step to hitting the road in this car. Number 5. Here's a rare find for classic car enthusiasts. In Walpole, Massachusetts, a 1972 Oldsmobile Custom Cruiser is up for grabs. This full-size station wagon boasts a full Vista Cruiser glass roof and a third row of seats. It has 90,500 miles on the odometer with a white exterior and a white-on-tan interior. Under the hood, you'll find a Rocket 350 engine with a quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission. Features include a tow package, power steering, power windows, power disc brakes, and air conditioning. The interior boasts new carpeting and the headliner is in good shape. The car has already received new rear brakes, distributor rotor, distributor cap, spark plug wires, spark plugs, points, oil pan, as well as valve cover gaskets and air and oil filters. The rally wheels are in good condition, and included with the sale are a new high-performance aluminum water pump, thermostat, and even uninstalled stainless steel roof rack rails. Of course, there are a few caveats worth considering. Rust is present in the spare tire well on the third row floor and on the bottom of the driver's door. The tires need replacing, the rear main seal is leaking, and the engine, according to the owner, is tired. The seller is asking $5,500 for this car as they are moving on to a new project, and this wagon needs to find a new home within a week. Bring a reasonable offer, cash, and a trailer, and it's yours. Number 6. Step into a piece of history with this 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 Extra Luxury located in Shelton, Connecticut. This car is offered for $4,500 and the price is negotiable. With 158,000 miles on the odometer, this Galaxie is equipped with a 390 cubic inch Ford big block. It starts right up and runs strong. Under the hood, it features a recently rebuilt carburetor, and the braking system received a major overhaul. With new disc brakes up front, drums in the rear, as well as a dual master cylinder and a brake booster. The red interior is mostly clean, and the trunk is immaculate. It even retains the original jack and convertible top boot. Outwardly, the car is painted black. The paint is all there, but it will need some attention. There is some minor rust on the rear quarter panels. The convertible top mechanism is fully functional. It goes up and down, however. The soft top itself is currently missing. The car comes with a clean title from New Jersey. Given the engine's functionality, the upgraded brakes, and the overall condition, this Galaxie 500 Extra Luxury offers an excellent starting point for anyone looking for a classic car. Number 7. Introducing a 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe that has clocked a mere 39,000 original miles. This two-owner car, located in Hingham, Massachusetts, is available for $22,900. It retains its original white paint and a blue and white cloth interior in excellent condition. The body has never been damaged. It's straight and comes complete with all factory trim and SS decals on the doors and the trunk lid, which is adorned with a subtle spoiler. Under the hood is a 5-liter high-output V8 engine with matching numbers, L69 code. It's equipped with a Rochester Quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor and an aluminum intake manifold, pumping out 175 horsepower and 240 pound-feet of torque. The camshaft here is pulled straight from a 1982 Corvette L81. Paired with it is a 3-speed automatic 350 transmission with a column shifter. For comfort, convenience features include power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks, cruise control, and air conditioning that blows ice cold. This Monte Carlo recently received new rear brakes and fresh Hankook Kinergy ST tires mounted on new old stock wheels from a 1987 model. With its F41 handling suspension and full gauge package, including a tachometer, the car is well tuned and handles beautifully. All systems are in excellent working order, making it completely ready for any journey. Just turn the key and hit the road. Number 8. Discover the charm of history with this 1966 Chevrolet Malibu located in Medford, New York. Priced at a firm $24,000, this classic was recently unearthed after sitting in storage since 2005, having clocked 100,000 miles prior to that. Underneath the bronze body, which is in excellent shape, lies a powerful 454 engine from 1972, bored out 30 thousandths over. This motor, built by Macbeth's in 1993, puts out anywhere from 500 to 600 horsepower. Power is sent through a turbo 400 automatic transmission to a 12-bolt rear end with 4.11 gearing, with shifts handled by a floor shifter. The black interior and under-dash wiring are in good order. The body is solid, the floors are excellent, and the trunk has been tidied up. For full disclosure, this Malibu isn't currently running. The engine turns over fine, but the spark plug wires have suffered from rodent damage, the distributor is seized, and the transmission needs a vacuum line. There are also two small dents on the upper rear body section that can be removed via paintless dent repair, and a small scratch on the passenger door. With its powerful engine and solid body, this car offers a great foundation for someone ready to tackle these straightforward tasks, all for $24,000. Number 9. Up for grabs is a 1966 Ford Thunderbird from Lancaster, Ohio, available for $18,000. This two-door convertible is finished entirely in black, both the exterior and interior. Under the hood, you'll find a 390 cubic inch engine, mated to an automatic transmission. For convenience, it comes with power windows and a power convertible top. This Thunderbird is being sold from the current owner's father's collection. The car's odometer shows 99,999 miles. The car was acquired as is, and while it's not without its quirks, its overall condition is considered solid and it presents well. The car is located in central Ohio. If you'd like to check out its condition firsthand, inspections are welcome. Number 10. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu from Winooski, Vermont, available for $21,000. Under the hood of this blue beauty, you'll find a true giant, a 502 cubic inch big block Chevy engine, pumping out 640 horsepower and 670 pound-feet of torque at 6,400 revolutions per minute. This potent power plant is equipped with TrickFlow, 280 heads, fully forged pistons and connecting rods, and a Lightning Racing carburetor. All the build and tuning work was handled by Mountain Lion Motorsports. That power is channeled through a Muncie M23 slick shift manual transmission from Midwest Muncie and a one-piece aluminum drive shaft. Out back, you'll find a 4-link Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gearing and a locker, while mini tubs allow for wide tires. Stopping power comes from disc brakes all around. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu body itself is completely rust-free. The car was repainted roughly 10 years ago, and the paint job has held up well. The only body modification is a fiberglass cowl hood. Carfax reports approximately 86,000 miles, though the odometer reading prior to its removal cannot be verified. This Malibu looks sharp and is ready for new adventures. It can be yours for $21,000, negotiable, or consider a trade for something interesting. Number 11. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard. In North Ridgeville, Ohio, a 1961 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is currently available for $10,000. This 1961 model is all original, hasn't been restored, and all systems are in working order, so it runs without a hitch. It has 71,000 miles on the clock. The body is in excellent shape with no rusty panels, which is a huge plus for a car of this age. Under the hood, you'll find an automatic transmission. For added road confidence, new brake booster, master cylinder, lines, and wheel cylinders have been installed for all 4 drum brakes. This red exterior pairs perfectly with the red interior, creating a cohesive look. The bumpers, however, could use rechroming or replacement to bring the exterior up to par with its operational condition. Number 12. Imagine cruising the roads in a classic. In Levittown, Pennsylvania, a 1968 AMC Javelin is for sale. This one, listed for $3,500, offers a great starting point for your next car project. The seller is open to offers. Under the hood of this Javelin is a 290 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car's body is generally solid, and the exterior is painted white, which goes with the black interior. The odometer on this car shows 1 million miles. It's important to note that the car is currently not running, and that should be factored into your plans. There's also rust on the lower part of the driver's side rear quarter panel, as visible in the pictures. This 1968 AMC Javelin, despite its current state, represents a promising foundation for those looking for a restoration project or a custom build. Its condition and price of $3,500 make it an accessible option to kick off an exciting new project. Number 13. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royal, available in Abington, Massachusetts for $8,900. This automatic convertible is ready to roll, offering summer adventures for you and 5 of your friends or family members. Under the hood is a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, which has been fully serviced. It recently received a new carburetor, fuel pump, shocks, and tires, along with a full tune-up. Key investments include a brand new convertible top and fresh interior carpeting, totaling $3,800. The car retains its original mileage of just under 96,000 miles. Inside, the dashboard and door panels are in very good shape. This Olds also has some quirks worth noting. The body shows numerous paint chips, minor dings, and faded paint. There's some rust present, though nothing major. The original vinyl seats have cracks and sun damage. From the factory, this car was not equipped with air conditioning. No trades will be considered. Number 14. Dive into automotive history with this 1948 Mercury 2-door Deluxe, waiting for you in Statesville, North Carolina. It's listed for $13,500. This Mercury has 82,775 miles on the clock, and it's powered by a flathead engine. Shifting gears is handled smoothly by an automatic transmission with a classic column shift. For modern convenience, the electrical system has been converted to 12 volts, and turn signals have been added. This car drives smoothly, easily maintaining a comfortable cruising speed of 60 miles per hour. With its striking red exterior and a gray interior, This Mercury is ready for any adventure. It's perfectly suited for taking to local car shows or simply enjoying a leisurely drive to keep it on the road. All this can be yours for $13,500. Number 15. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Check out this 1978 Chevrolet Nova from Keyport, New Jersey, available for $6,000. This gold hatchback with a beige interior is one of only 12,500 produced in this body style and was a special order vehicle when it was new, making it a low-volume production car. The odometer reads 71,500 miles. The car is all original and has gone 46 years without significant modifications. It runs, drives, and stops well. Under the hood is a 250 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. Features include factory air conditioning, front disc, and rear drum brakes. Recently installed are new brake hoses and lines, rear wheel cylinders, as well as a fresh radiator, thermostat, throttle cable, belts, and water pump. The headliner is also in good shape. This Chevrolet Nova presents two options. It can be fully restored or simply tidied up and enjoyed as a driver right away. If desired, the inline-six engine is easily swapped for a V8, though the original engine runs great. Given its low production run, cars like this are hard to come by. Number 16. Take a trip back in time with this 1977 Cadillac Deville four-door, available in Alburgh, Vermont, for $13,995. This black Cadillac, a four-door sedan, shows 56,450 miles on the odometer and runs beautifully, offering a smooth ride. The car boasts a solid body and, importantly for its age, it's rust-free underneath. All electrical functions, from the power windows to the seats, are fully operational. You'll also find new tires, ready for many more miles. While the black exterior paint isn't flawless, it's quite good and presents well. There's just one minor quirk: the dashboard clock doesn't work. For $13,995, this DeVille offers a prime opportunity to own a well-preserved classic 1977 automobile. Its mileage of 56,450 miles for its year and excellent running condition make it stand out in Alburgh, Vermont. This solid sedan, with its classic American styling, is available as advertised. Number 17. Today, we have a fantastic find. A 1950 Chevrolet Sedan delivery located in Glen Gardner, New Jersey. The car is listed at $10,000 and the seller is open to offers. This beauty has 100,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 Chevy engine bored 30 thousandths over, with 10 thousandths over main bearings and 20 thousandths over rod bearings. The car starts, runs, and stops without a hitch. It's equipped with a Mustang 2 front end, power steering, power windows, and a radio. It also features a vintage air system, providing both air conditioning and heat. For convenience, there's a backup camera with side cameras integrated into the turn signals, plus a power antenna, and door poppers for opening the shaved doors. The entire build was completed in the early 1990s, and there are photos to back it up. This 1950 Chevrolet Sedan delivery is finished in turquoise. However, the body needs restoration due to rust. A purchased rocker panel for one side hasn't been installed yet, and the rear door popper mechanism isn't currently working. Despite these minor setbacks, this 100,000-mile ride has a solid foundation for its next project. Number 18. This classic 1968 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe two-door from Highland Falls, New York is being offered for $22,500. This Buick Skylark was a barn find where it had been stored unregistered since 1984. The car retains its original mileage, which is only 51,000 miles. The car's exterior is blue, complemented by a blue interior. Under the hood is a 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller reports the car drives perfectly and all its systems have been thoroughly checked. To get it road ready, new brakes were installed, the engine was tuned up, and the oil was changed. Work was also done on the fuel system. The old gas tank was removed, a new fuel sender was installed, and the carburetor was completely rebuilt. Now, this Buick Skylark Custom Coupe two-door is fully ready for the road. The seller is open to trades. Number 19. For sale is a 1965 Chevrolet Malibu, available in Smithville, Pennsylvania, for $21,500. This black Malibu, originally built as a drag car, boasts excellent body and paint condition. To shave weight, it features a fiberglass front end, doors, trunk, and bumpers. Under the hood and underneath, this Malibu is rigged for racing with tubular A-arms up front, QA1 shocks, a 4-link rear suspension with a 9-inch rear end, and double bead locks on the wheels. It's already equipped with 2 stout fuel pumps, nitrous plumbing, and a full MSD ignition system. Headers are installed for a big block Chevrolet engine, along with a drive shaft for a T400 transmission and an aluminum radiator. The car is also equipped with a parachute. 10 years ago, with a 632 engine, it ran the quarter mile in 8.05 seconds at 170 miles per hour, and its current weight sits at 2,900 pounds. Currently, the car is being sold as a roller, meaning without an engine and transmission. While the NHRA and IHRA 8.50 second certification has expired, and there's no title, just a VIN, this Malibu presents an excellent foundation for a new build. It could easily become a beautiful bracket car with your engine and transmission, or serve as the basis for an uncompromised, no-holds-barred drag racer. It would also make a fantastic Pro Street foundation without requiring a ton of effort. Number 20. Introducing a classic reimagined. Meet this 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe from Mount Airy, North Carolina. This one, sporting a blue exterior and a black interior, has 53,584 miles on the clock and is listed for $19,500. Under the hood, you'll find a rebuilt 289 engine, sporting 30 thousandths overbore pistons, rocker arms, a steel crankshaft, and aluminum heads and intake. This powerhouse churns out over 400 horsepower, all channeled through a 4-speed manual top-loader transmission. The interior is all new, along with all the chrome trim. The car rides on 17-inch Magnum wheels, wrapped in new tires, and for added stiffness, subframe connectors have been installed. This Mustang fires right up and drives great, though it's worth noting the seller describes the paint as weak. Even so, this machine is a potent, refreshed classic. Number 21. Imagine the adventures that await you with this 1983 Jaguar XJS Coupe. You'll find it in Somerset, New Jersey, showing 100,000 miles. This isn't just any car, it's a QQ-registered collector's vehicle ready for someone to put their own stamp on it. Under the hood, this XJS has received a Chevrolet 350 engine and a matching automatic transmission swap. It starts up and runs smoothly. The front and rear lights have been upgraded to modern light-emitting diodes. The body itself is solid as a rock, needing no replacement parts, providing a great foundation for customization. This Jaguar is set up as a weekend cruiser, perfect for leisurely drives, though it's not really meant for daily driving in its current configuration. Inside, the door panels will need to be redone or custom-made to fit your style. Also, most of the gauges aren't working right now due to the engine swap. This Jaguar is available for $3,000, or the owner is open to trades for things like tools, a box truck, or even a bus, anything that could support a new project. The current owner needs to make room for a new project this weekend and is hoping for a fair offer to seal the deal. Number 22. Check out this incredible opportunity to own a 1970 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, available in Lewisburg, North Carolina. This orange pickup with a black interior is going for $8,400. Under the hood, you'll find the factory 350 engine, which, by the way, was rebuilt in 2005, as evidenced by all the receipts. The truck also features factory air conditioning, which is a real bonus for comfort. The body has an original 91,000 miles on it, backed by all necessary documents and the owner's manual. The truck comes with rear fender skirts and the transmission is automatic. As for the exterior, the original orange paint cleans up nicely, though it has some chips here and there. All in all, the vehicle is in good shape. The owner is willing to entertain offers on the price or potential trades, but isn't interested in motorcycles. By the way, he also has a 1981 Corvette and a 1970 D100, and he's offering a sweet deal if you want to pick them up as a bundle. Number 23. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. In Elizabethtown, North Carolina, a 1977 Mercury Cougar is up for grabs for the price of $7,000. This two-door coupe is all original, keeping its brown exterior and matching brown interior. With 108,000 miles on the clock, it still floats down the road like a cloud and is ready for new adventures. Under the hood of this Cougar sits a V8 engine displacing 302 cubic inches paired with an automatic transmission. The carburetor was recently rebuilt and a new factory spec exhaust system was installed, adding confidence in its reliability. On top of that, the car got brand new staggered Kragar wheels and fresh Cooper Cobra Radial G/T tires, which enhance its look and provide good grip. This Mercury Cougar shows off an interesting blend of original condition and fresh updates, making it an attractive option for those looking for a ready-to-roll classic. Its 108,000 miles on the odometer just goes to show that this car is tried and true and ready to keep cruising, offering the comfort and style of its era. Number 24. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard in this 1978 GMC Caballero from Shirley, Massachusetts. This vehicle, known as a truck car hybrid or simply an El Camino, is equipped with a V8 350 cubic inch engine and an automatic transmission, ready to roll. The body and interior are finished in a vibrant turquoise color, instantly setting the mood of that era. Inside, you'll find power windows, a power driver's seat, and air conditioning, ensuring comfort for your cruises. The odometer reads 110,000 miles. In 2019, the car was regularly used on weekends, and in 2020, the interior received a professional cleaning and repaint. Even though the vehicle has been garaged since 2023, it fires right up. Currently, the car is 100% road ready. However, it's worth noting that the rear brakes are a bit sticky and may need service, and the front door speakers are missing. For more reliable daily driving, the car would likely appreciate a little TLC. This Caballero is being offered for $10,000, or your best reasonable offer. Payment is accepted only by cash or cashier's check, no trades considered. Number 25. Today we have a fantastic find. This 1967 Plymouth Satellite is available in Kernersville, North Carolina for $24,500. It's a red classic muscle car from '67. Under the hood is the original 383 cubic inch engine with a 4-barrel carburetor. Power is sent through the factory Torqueflite 727 transmission, and the rear end has a 3.23 gear ratio and is equipped with a Sure Grip limited slip differential. It's important to note that the engine, transmission, and rear end are original to this car. The mileage is 43,290 miles. The body is painted a bright red and the interior is done in white. The owner reports that the Plymouth Satellite starts right up and drives great. This car is available for those looking for a classic muscle car with confirmed original driveline components. $18,500